Hello, fellow engineers. Today, I'm introducing you to a powerful tool that will streamline your material analysis workflow, the Young Modulus Interactive Calculator. This free calculator instantly determines a material's elastic modulus, that fundamental property we rely on to predict how materials deform under stress. Whether you're designing structural components, selecting materials for a new project, or validating supplier specifications, this tool eliminates manual calculations, and it reduces errors in your elastic modulus determinations. Let's examine the input fields. First, you'll enter the applied force in newtons. This represents the tensile or compressive load on your material specimen. For typical steel testing, you might input values ranging from 10,000 to 100,000 newtons. Next is the original length in meters, the unstressed dimension of your test specimen. Standard tensile test specimens often measure 50 to 200 millimeters, so you'd enter 0.05 to 0.2 meters. The change in length field captures the elastic deformation in meters. For metals, this might be just a few millimeters under significant load. Finally, you'll input the cross-sectional area in square meters. For a standard 12.5 millimeter diameter cylindrical specimen, that's approximately 0.027 square meters. Let me demonstrate with a real-world example. Imagine you're verifying the modulus of an aluminum alloy for an aerospace application. You apply a tensile force of 25,000 newtons to a specimen with an original length of 0.1 meters and an area of 0.0001 square meters. Under this load, the specimen elongates by 0.0012 meters. Simply enter these values into the corresponding fields. The calculator instantly returns a Young's modulus of approximately 208 gigapascals, confirming it's an aerospace-grade alloy. The calculator provides two critical outputs. First, the stress value in pascals, in our example, 250 megapascals. This value tells you the internal force intensity within the material. Second, the Young's modulus in pascals quantifies the material's stiffness. Use these values to compare materials, validate certifications, or input into your FEA simulations for accurate predictions. Here's a crucial insight many engineers overlook. Always ensure your measurements stay within the elastic region. If you notice non-linear behavior or permanent deformation, your modulus calculation becomes invalid. The Young's modulus only applies to elastic deformation, not plastic behavior. Ready to simplify your material testing calculations? Visit Firgelliauto.com and find the Young Modulus Calculator. It's completely free and accessible from any device. Thank you for joining me today.